Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to do another unboxing, and as every month, in the beginning of the month I am receiving my Lookfantastic Beauty box. Now this month it came a bit late. Today we are on 10, but usually it arrives between 6 and 8 of the month. If you don't know anything about Lookfantastic, they have a huge online store and they do have a monthly beauty subscription which retails starting from £15 per month plus shipping. They do offer 3, 6 and 12 months subscriptions, and this it will reduce the cost. And if you want to get even more discount, you can shop on Lookfantastic using the online cashback retailer called Quidco, and you can get on top of that some discount. Lookfantastic offers you a monthly subscription which is more oriented to skincare. Some months are better than others. This is usual when we are talking about beauty subscriptions. The box is shipped all the way from UK, so all the prices that we are talking about today are in British pounds. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more of my content, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also don't forget to follow me on my social. Now let's go ahead and see what we have for this month. We have a beautiful pink box, and also I've noticed that the box is not that heavy, and I think I know the reason for the reduced weight, and this is because I received an email a couple of days ago. They were announcing us that they stopped the collaboration with Elle magazine, so we will not get that Elle magazine that we are usually getting every month. So there is that. I don't think so that I will miss that magazine because it was not something that I couldn't live without. So also they are telling us that they want to be more eco-friendly, and all the boxes are fully recyclable. We have a booklet that tells you everything about the products inside, and also we have here the sneak peek for the next month, so for the month of March. If you don't want to see or hear that, just skip forward, and for those of you who are interested to see the sneak peek of the next month, this is the Madara, the Time Miracle Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream, which retails for £35. So there is that. Now it doesn't say if this is a full size product or the large size. However, judging for the highest price, it might be full size, or if not, a really generous size. So formulated with birch water and ingredients scientifically proven to reverse aging damage, the gentle hydrating eye cream from Madara tackles signs of fatigue, crow's feet and fine lines from the first use. So this is something which I really need because I have some fine lines around my eyes, I won't lie that. So if there is something which will deal with that problem on my eyes, I'm more than happy. Everything is wrapped on red tissue paper, and they even changed the actual seal. Now it's AB, and this is what we have inside. This is the Amour Edition. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and this month's beauty box is here to celebrate all things love. From romance to friendship to that all-important self-love, this February let our Amour Edition help you celebrate love in all forms. Our February beauty box contains 6 products handpicked by the experts to make you feel adored, appreciated and all around amazing. Happy Valentine's from Beauty Box HQ. I think this is the sneak peek from last month, if I'm not wrong. So we have a Naobe, or however it is spelling this brand, and this is a gentle facial toner. anti-aging raspberry, marshmallow and marigold extracts, formulated with nourishing raspberry, altea and calendula extracts to bring 4-in-1 benefits to the skin, removing leftover traces of makeup, toning, soothing and hydrating your complexion. Use daily for smoother, more refined skin. Next we have a Project Lip Mask. This mask worth £3.95. Specially designed to target dry, chapped lips, the Project Lip Collagen Infused Hydrogel Lip Mask hydrates, smooths and plumps all in one. How to use? Remove film from both sides of the lip mask and apply to dry lips. Leave for 15-20 minutes before taking off. Rub in excess serum. I think this is the second lip mask that I have, or maybe I have another one in my cabinet which I haven't used it, and I've tried one lip mask before and I didn't see any spectacular results. Maybe in the beginning I was feeling some tingling sensation, but other than that I couldn't see anything else. But I will give it a try and I will report if it will help plump and smooth how it claims to do. Next product is by Espa. Oh no, this is the sneak peek that we had from last month. So, Espa Detoxifying Body Oil 15 milliliters retails for £5. Designed to be used daily to firm skin and soothe muscles, this Espa body oil is formulated with a blend of aromatic oils such as juniper berry and cypress to delight your senses. Massage onto clean skin in firm circular motions until fully absorbed. Best used in the morning to feel the effects all day. Okay, let's open it to sniff it up, even though I'm going through a cold and my sinuses are a bit challenged, but I still feel some citrusy, probably juniper berry. I'm not an expert to tell you that, but it's a nice uplifting smell, I can tell. So this is how the packaging looks like. Let's try a bit on my hand. It feels really nice. I love it. I believe there is a pleasure to apply this, especially in the morning. I think it will make your day better just by putting this beautiful fragrance on your skin. This scent reminds me on some other product, but for the life of me I cannot remember which product. Or maybe I think there is some flower that I had in my parents' home when I was a child. If I will remember, I will put it here on the screen. Next product is a complexion sponge by Brushworks. So all the time I'm welcoming in my routine, in my collection, a sponge because I just love them. It's my favorite way to apply the foundation. Although this looks a bit stiff. Achieve a flawless base with the help of this Brushworks face sponge. Super soft, long lasting and specially designed to fit your facial contours. Blend your liquid makeup to perfection for professional results. Okay, I have to admit that I don't have anything of this size. Let me wet it and I will come back. And voila! This is how it looks when it's dampened. Okay, I can tell that it expanded a lot, but it's not even anywhere as soft as it is my favorite sponge, the one from LA Girl. So this is amazingly soft and now it's on dry shape. So this is not that soft, but I will give it a go for sure because I love this baby pink. It's really, really pretty, I can tell. Next product, not again. Filoriga Meso Mask, Smooth Radiance Mask. So I think I have had this mask at least 3 or 4 times till now, especially from Lookfantastic, and I do not like it because it's not the type of mask that it will set, it will dry, you feel that it will do something for your face, so that's the reason that I don't like it. So this anti-wrinkle brightening face mask from Filoriga will enhance your skin's natural radiance and target signs of aging and tiredness from first application. Infused with NCFT and anti-aging complex used in non-surgical procedures, this delicate cream will leave skin plumper, brighter and more even in tone. How to use? This is what I was telling about. Apply a generous layer over the face, neck and décolletage. Leave it for 15-30 minutes and remove using a damp cloth. So this cream, it will not dry, it will not set, so it's just a heavy moisturizer, I can tell that, and I do not feel that I'm getting the results that they are claiming. So I think I will part way with this cream. I see if someone else wants to try it because I had enough of it and I'm not willing to try it. I have other masks in my routine, in my cabinet that are waiting for me to give them more love. Okay, and the final product, it's hiding from me. Ooh! The final product, okay, you see it has the barcodes here. Ooh, it's a tiny lipstick! Look at it, it's so cute! Okay, and who are you? Let's find out more. Oh, so this is the Illamasqua Minty Anti-Matter Lipstick in shade Bang, worth £10. Wait a minute, I think I have this in full size. They are the same mother and son. Yeah, so there's that. Okay, I won't swatch it because that means that it will go in a giveaway, but I will swatch mine because I actually love this shade and I have worn it a couple of times. If I'm not wrong, this one I also got it in one of my beauty boxes as a bonus, and I love the formula. It's really nice, creamy and lasts a long time on your lips. Enhance your pout in just one swipe with this mini Illamasqua Anti-Matter lip product. Semi-matte and long wearing, with a creamy texture that will soften your lips and add intense pigment all at once. Okay, so this is the sixth and last product. Sorry, this is the sixth and the last product that we've got on the Lookfantastic Amour Edition for 2020, February 2020. Okay, I will gather them up and I will do also the math to see how much the value of the box we are getting for this month. We've got a Neobe toner, a Brushworks sponge, complexion sponge. We've got an Espa body oil, a mini lipstick from Illamasqua, a Filoriga mask and a lip mask. Okay, I can tell you right now that this is not my favorite beauty box that we are getting from Lookfantastic. We have had before better months, but as I told you in the beginning, there are months better than others, so not all the products will be exactly on your taste. Okay, so the total value of this Lookfantastic February beauty box, it is around £50. Okay, so this is not bad considering the fact that I'm paying only £13 per month, and I do also have free shipping because last year when I was renewing my subscription, they were still offering free shipping. So I will be really curious because this is the last month that I had from my 1-year subscription, so on May it will be renewed, so I will let you know if I will still benefit from the free shipping or the shipping it will be added on top. So if I haven't mentioned, I've seen on their website the shipping, at least for Czech Republic, retails for £5. So please let me know in your comments down below if you are getting this box, and if you have done this recently, how much you pay for shipping, depending on the part of the world where you are living, because Lookfantastic, they do ship worldwide. So This is all for today. This is the Lookfantastic Beauty Box edition for the month of February. Let me know in your comments down below, what do you think about this box? Do you think it worth the price? Do you think there are other better boxes that I should try? Just keep in mind that they should ship internationally to be able to purchase it, because I do not live in US, so I cannot take the opportunity of getting all those wonderful beauty boxes you are getting there, guys. So if you haven't checked my previous video, this is all about the products that I want to get from US and they are not available here on Czech Republic. So if you want to see what are my wishes, please go ahead and check that video. I will put it here on the screen together with other videos that I recommend you to check. And other than that, I hope you will subscribe before you leave, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Have a blessed, great day ahead. Bye bye!